Hello, my name is Brian Johnson. I'm the Manufacturing Operations Manager at D&B Machine here in Sarasota, Florida. We're a 27-year-old company doing contract manufacturing. We have around 50 employees, 38 CNC machines, lathes, mills, horizontals. We serve mostly the hydraulics, aerospace, and many other local manufacturers both here and in places across the United States. Here at D&B Machine, we try and stay current with technology as it emerges. We currently have one robot. We have another one on order, and we plan on heading down that area of machine tending. We currently have 9 Doosan machines in our shop, lathes and mills. The mills have evolved into lathes. We have 4 Pumas and 1 Lynx. They're very good machines for us. They've been an economical choice, which still offers the precision of the other machines we were using in the past. The mills keep expanding. We use multi-pallet Doosan equipment. It really helps throughput. Keeping the spindle turning is when we make the money, and it really allows us to do that. Doosan is a very important partner. It's working out really well.